With the big game over and another Lombardi in Kansas City, we can now focus our attention on other important things, like savings on a new Dodge. I'm Jason Speed, and I am so happy to announce that horsepower rebates are back.
Right now, save $10 per horsepower on new 2023 Dodge Challenger and Charger on the SXT, GT, and RT plus bonus cash. That's 40 for 20 off SXT, 4,500 off of GT, and 3,700 off RT on the Charger. Save up to $4,030 off MSRP on Challenger SXT and GT, and up to 50 off MSRP on Challenger RT.
And if that's not good enough, our Scat Pack inventory and Hellcat inventory has been reduced to invoice. That's right, no more over MSRP. Everything is below MSRP at invoice. It's a fantastic time to get an amazing deal on a super fast ride. Come see all of our available inventory at Furman Dodge on State Road 54 in Beautiful Lutz, Florida. Save big on a new 2023 Dodge Challenger or Charger with invoice pricing or horsepower rebates. And ask for speed.